Our artist, Grace, has been working on this,
And I gotta come back with some green, but
and
I
she's
think we're pretty
conferring
well through with the petals.
with Sunshine right now. But she left her painting for a minute, and I just said, don't you need your glasses? So you can see from her wonderful style, this is so just her in the way she puts her washes down and builds her landscapes. Aren't these wonderful? I've always thought of Oriental watercolors, the Japanese and both the Chinese, the screens, the beautiful screens that are so ancient. I just see that in the way she builds her landscapes. So there must be an influence there in her past. Is there? Not that she knows of.
She may be from the Asian.
Maestro is conferring about, and he. No, you can't move your glasses.
I love
Put
the
the picture
bridge.
down again. This is what Grace worked from, and if you don't think she doesn't have an imagination, is that like amazing? This is it to this. Wow. So what were you saying, Maestro?
I says it look oriental. The only thing it needs is to be matted and framed and put on the wall.
Well, good. Then you're done. Congratulations. The end.
Sign it. I wouldn't keep doing much more
Oh,
to
I
it.
see lots that
I think
need
it
to
looks,
do.
to me, I think it looks finished.
Well, I think I'd put the paintbrush down. Yeah. Okay, everybody's in agreement. Bye now. So Grace took this photograph to what you see in her watercolor. It's amazing. What an imagination.